In this video, I am going to write a C program to sum the digit of a number, where I am going to take input from the user. So let's go. So I have opened my code block, where first I am going to include header file uh, include studio.h. Now I am going to include write main function and then return, because we are using int in the main function, so we have to return 0. Now I'm going to write a function which uh, in which we are going to add the sum of digit. So its data type is int sum of digit. I'm going to give the name as sum of the digit, and I'm going to take a single parameter int num, and then I'm going to give its definition at the last, because now we are going to give the definition. So first I'm going to include two number, int sum equals to 0, and there is a variable time. So first I'm going, what I can do, that I just divide the num by divide, sorry, just I take out the remainder from the number, because if we uh, modulus a number by 10, then it will give its last digit. So let's look at it here. So temp is equals to num and modulus by 10. In this we are going to get the last digit of a number. For example, if we take 45, then I am going to find out its remainder. Modulus is used to find out the remainder. Then when 45 is divided by 10, then first is 4, then the remainder comes to 5. Then this 5 value I am going to save in the temp and sum, and I am going to add sum plus temp. In the next line I am going to divide this num by 10, because by dividing the 10 we are removing the last digit from the number. You understand this very well when you try yourself, and this whole condition will run till the sum is greater than 0. It's mean that when the sum is less than 0, then loop will be going to terminate, because we have to find out the sum of the last digit. Then I'm going to return the value sum. Now call this function in the main. So first I'm going to define a variable number. Now I'm going some printf, and I'm enter the number for the sum of digit. On the next line I'm going to scanf the number. Scanf is used to take input from the user, you very well know. And number. Now I'm going to call the function we have made, sum of digit, and I'm going to pass the parameter as a number, and the result of that number, because we got the return data type we have in the function sum is returned. So I'm going to save this in result. Now I'm going to print the result, printf sum of digit is, and modulus d, next line, and we're going to print result. Now we have to make a minor change to our code, and then I'm going to terminate this. Now I'm going to return I'm going to run this code by pressing F9, and you get this pop-up display for it the result. Now we are going to enter the number. Just I am going to enter the number 456. You can enter your add enter number it as you wish, मतलब आप अपनी मर्जी से भी नंबर डाल सकते हैं कोई सा भी. Then the sum of the digit is 15 and this is the correct answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.